front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can activate and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top. If you can't find it, select those three dots and look for it over here. Now to activate it, use white switcher at the top. Then to use it, you need to cut or copy any text. Paste it right away by clicking on it at the top or selecting Clipboard and tapping on it to paste it. To pin one of your saved sentences, use this icon of a pen at the top right corner. Click on the chosen one and tap on pin icon at the top. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it though, use the same pen. Pick sentence or sentences that you wish to delete and click this pin at the top. Lastly, to deactivate Clipboard, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!